Hello friends, welcome to tutorial days. In this video I am going to show you how to convert this complete PSD design into WordPress functional website. You don't need to write any line of code in this video. Of course, you want to make it more professional, then you just simple tweak of CSS. You can adjust the website and make it more professional. In this video I will show you how to convert this PSD file into functional WordPress website. So guys, this is the one I have converted. You can see this is the logo and this is the menu and social media icons. Of course, these social media icons you can use as it is, and also this is the slider and feature post here, and the footer one, this one also. So, and also when you click in any one of the posts, then it will show you the image in the background and the text in the top, and also left side text and the right side the latest code. So guys, don't miss this video and follow this video step by step. You will know how to do this. To tutorial days, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert this design into WordPress 6 using Gutenberg. So step by step I will show you. So this is our design. So step by step I will show you how to convert this whole thing into WordPress latest 6.1 by the time this video is recorded. So, and most important thing is that without writing a single line of code, we will convert this whole design into our WordPress functional website. So guys, you can understand that how flexible the latest WordPress theme has been provided, that without writing code you can do a lot of things. So let's start the code. For this I will install a brand new website, WordPress. So I had already downloaded, so just I'm putting this into this folder of htdocs. So I expect that you know these things already. So my folder name is WP666 three times. Now let's do one thing. First I'll create database. So let's open here phpMyAdmin so that I can create database here. Click on database and then WP666. You can put any name you like, but I have just put here WP666 because the folder name is same, that's why. Now localhost and then folder name is WP666. So from scratch I will show you how you can create a complete website PSD to WordPress 6. Now let's go, and then database name we have just created WP666. Username is myadmin in my case, but in your case it will be root if you are using localhost. And then password is 13. You put here, you don't put anything here, you leave blank, okay? And in my case the port number is 33. You just keep localhost, that's it. Now submit. Okay, so installation is done. Now just let me put anything here. Username I will put admin and password also admin so that I can remember it. You can, in real life the password will be complex one, not so simple. I'm just putting my email ID and then install WordPress. Okay, so now as you can see it is successfully installed. Now log into the admin section. Yeah, so it's successfully installed and we are inside the admin dashboard. Now click here and see the website. As you can see it is quite ugly, it doesn't have anything, just a simple framework, simple blueprint. So we will convert this website into this design. We will from this design to functional WordPress. Okay, before we proceed ahead, you should go to admin and see here in WordPress 6 in appearance there is a lot of things changed here. First, you you cannot see here menu. And one more thing, in case you have missed my previous video, then I strongly recommend to check the previous video so that you will be able to understand it. Okay, so what I will do, first I will install a plugin, Ultimate Blocks. I have already recorded a video for Ultimate Block, so in case you have not seen that, then I will recommend you to check that video so that it will be easier to understand this. Ultimate Blocks, this one, it's free for the time being, but later maybe they will make it free as well as paid. For the time being it's totally free, so we will install this. It has a lot of blocks which will be easier for us to create the website. Okay, so now let's activate it. Alright, successfully activated, and you can see the blocks, the list of the blocks which this plugin provides us. Yeah, so these are the these are the blocks which you can use whenever it is required in development. Okay, now let's go to the front section, and then first we will start from the header section. So let's get back to our design, and you can see this is logo, and then menu, and then the social media link. So what I will do, first I will crop this logo image and then crop. In case you don't have Photoshop installed in your computer, then you can using this software Pixel, you can use online Photoshop, okay, for free. So I have, and I will upload this design in description. You can check and you can download from there. Okay, so now let's get back here. We have cropped the logo and we will save it. C drive, we are going to use this 2023, which is the latest one. Okay, I will create a folder here called images, and then I will name it as logo, simply logo. Okay, now get back to the main design once again, Control Alt Z. Okay, we have come back to our design after cropping this. Now let's go to here and then edit site. This is important. Edit site. Let's click here. Also you can go to that one from here, editor. Okay, so both are same. Now click on edit site. So this is our home page, and you see here we are currently editing this home page. WordPress 6 comes with this Gutenberg and templating engine. Unlike previous one which used to have PHP file, this one contains not PHP, rather than it contains HTML file. If you go to 2023 and then templates, you can see these are the HTML file. In previous version like WordPress 5, it used to be have PHP like index.php, pages.php, single.php, but here you can see it has .html file. But we are not going to edit this currently anything. What we will do, we will work from here only. In further video, maybe in future, I will show you how to edit those blocks as well, those pages, how to create our own pages. But for the time being, I'm not going to touch the code. Without touching the code, we will convert this design into this website. So let's do this. Click here, this logo, and then here templates. First you need to click this logo and then click on templates here. Okay, and then add new. But before that, let's see here. You can see these are the added by the 2333 things it is showing. So these are the files which you are seeing here in template paths. Here archive 404. So these are the same blocks here. See the same template, right? So currently this one is showing here. The one home page was displaying there. If you want to create your own page, then we will create here front page. Okay, now we are editing this front page, this one, this block. So we will be working on this one. So let's start editing from header. Let's do one thing. You can see these 3 points. You need to click here so that you can see where you are. Click here, and then this one is header. Okay, the first one is header. Apart from here, you can see where you are currently. You can see my mouse here in the footer section. It is displaying here header. Inside header, if you click on group, then you can see here group. Inside group, you can see row and title and navigation. There are 2 things, title and navigation. Okay, so let's go to click on header. As soon as you click on header, then you can see this pop-up and click on edit. So it will take us to the header section. What we will do, we will delete this everything whatever there is. So let's go to group and then remove this one. Okay, and here okay, now we will put a block here. So we will put here column. Okay, if you see the design here, so we will do like this. Left side has less space, right side has more space. Okay, so it will be more suitable for us. This one, left side we will keep logo, and in the right side we will keep our menus and social media. So let's go here and select image, then upload. So let's go to E drive and then not E drive, actually C drive, then htdocs, then WordPress 6.66. Inside this themes 2023 images, okay, so the logo is now successfully. Now if you want to see here, so how you want to keep thumbnail, medium or whole size 75%. So we will keep currently 75%. Okay, the smaller one. Apart from that, if you click on this column, then Okay, click here and this top line, and this one is this logo. So we will have an alignment actually right aligned. Okay, right aligned. Now save and check how does it look like. So let's go here, and then yes, so guys, you can see the logo is displaying here. So what we have done, uh, we have put it right, so better let's make it center. Okay, now let's save and check. We are editing this header section. Yeah, now it's fine. So this is our logo here. If you want to put the link, normally what happens when user clicks on the logo, then it is taken to the home page. Okay, so we will just put this in hyperlink. Okay, so when user will click, it will reach to that place. Okay, we have just pasted this URL and click on apply. Okay, so now the link is applied on this. Now click on save and then refresh it and check if the link is provided or not. Oh, yeah. So now click on this logo and you can see it is redirecting us to home page. Okay, now let's see the design. Let's come back to the design once again. In the right side there is social media icons, and here in bottom, so let's go to this section here. Now let's add the block. If you see here, you can find social icons. Okay, and what we will do, align it to the right. And then add plus. So Facebook, then Twitter, then uh, Instagram, etc, etc. So guys, so this is the quick way to add social media icons. But it will not appear there unless you put the link. Okay, so this is our social share icon. So somewhere there is, so open links, new tab, icon somewhere please save fully. So as you can see, it is not displaying here. What we need to do, click here and it says enter address. For the time being, I will put hash. Apply. Here also I will put hash, but you need to put here real address of Twitter, Instagram, etc. For testing purpose, I'm just putting this one. Okay, also the distance of this one, and one more very important thing, you can click and see the navigation point. So click on social share and then you go here, you can put here block spacing, how much space you want to put between these two spacing. So I will keep like this. Okay, now let's see here. So better let's make it center aligned. Align center. Alright, we can put padding also from right side to these social icons. So you click on this column because we need padding to that column. Okay, so go here in the padding section and I will put right padding. Let's see how does it look like now. Yeah, it's better now. You can put more padding. Yes, it's better now. Okay, so now we will work on menu. But guys, you might be wondering that this I need exactly this one. So I will show you that one also, how you can do that. But before that, let's uh, add here menu, the navigation. Okay, so to add navigation, let's add here one block, direct block, and here in this one we will add navigation. So currently we have only one page, that is why this one is showing here simple page. But guys, you can see at least that the position and the menu logo in the left side, the social icon in the right side, and this sample page, that means the menu, is here. So let's add a few more pages like about, foods, travel, restaurants, contact, etc. Let's go to admin and add here few pages. About, this is about us page. Publish, add new, add new page, foods, and then restaurant, restaurants, publish, and then finally we will create one new page. Not post, actually we are going to create pages. Contact, right? Publish, then let's see. Yeah, so these one are displaying here, the menus. Let's refresh it. Yes, so now these are coming. You can move it to the left, right. Click on this button, this navigation, and then so currently Okay, so we don't have control over moving this actually. So what we will do, let's do one thing. Click on not edit, click here and then navigation. So inside navigation we will create one menu. Okay, okay, and here now it's displaying you the navigation, right? And then manage menus. Okay, so currently we are under navigation. All right, now click to add here the pages. Apart from that, you can, suppose you want to put here home page. Rather, we don't need actually home page, but if you want to put here home page, then if you click here add a link, then this comes, and then in the right side you can see you can put here custom link as well. So I'll put here home, and then the home page URL will be this one, same like logo, right? So this one is the first home. Yeah, now it's displaying here. Just I typed here home. Okay, and next one other pages. After home we will put here food. Then, so guys, as you can see, earlier we used to add menus from going to here menu, but now you can directly add menus from here. So food, then restaurant, then contact. All right, so we have these three pages added successfully. Also, you have the option to move from left to right here, you can see, but we need home page first. And also you can see you can drag and drop from here as well. In here the menu size is small, so let's make it medium or large. Large becomes very large, so we can make it for the time being medium. Now let's check in the front. Okay, and also we have changed the color, so better let's make it this one. And here in the text going, so if you see the menu color is actually gray, not green. So let's, if you want to take exact color of this one, this exact color, then let's do one thing. Click on T here, and then this is the color we can exactly take. Now if you go to this color section, and then let's paste here our color, right? So exactly now our color is has come here. Refresh it, and guys, you can see this is our menus. This is logo, social media icons, and So you might be thinking that okay, the design is different and here it comes different. You can do this just taking columns and putting image cutting one by one. That is not a hard task. And the next thing is, if you see the design, then there is green color here, this green bar, right? So let's go here, and then okay, so our header section, inside our header section, let's click on this column, not actually this column, right? Here in this column, and then click here and insert after here one block, and then we will take here divider. By default this is separator and this is divider. It has more options. So now this divider, if you see, is of green color. If you want to take exact same color, then you can take just picking up this color and putting there. So let's take for the timing this color, this one, and save it, refresh it and check. And also the style is solid, and height, width, thickness, let's take thickness more, like this. Don't know why the color is actually not applying somehow. I think this plugin has some problem. That's why the color is not applying here. It is just taking. So let's do one thing. Let's delete this divider and we will take the default one. Let's try this. So insert after. Oh, it's not before. You can drag and drop like this. So we will take separator, okay, the default one, better. Click here and then wide line, so it will come to the full, and then here the background. So this time I'm taking this background or this one, and let's save it and check if the color is applying or not. Actually that plugin works, but I don't know why. Yeah, now it's green color has come, but this one doesn't have option to make it thicker or thinner, but that plugin has that option. So anyway, now that plugin works actually, but in this theme I don't know, in my case I don't know why it's not working, but normally that works. So you can control this width through that one. So guys, you can see this logo is coming here, menu is coming, the social media is coming. So we have done almost with header. So once you are done with the header, click here and come back to this dashboard. Now, so guys, we have done with the header section. Now let's click on edit site and come back once again so that we can work further. We don't need this, so everything we will delete. We will just keep this one. So if you go back to the design, then you will see now we have slider. One more thing, as a designer you might be wondering, the font is different, right? So how we can apply that one also? Guys, that's not the end. What I'm trying to show you here is the basic thing. Okay, you can apply your class also. If you click here, then you can see advanced. Always you will see advanced. Okay, in the advanced section you will see additional class, CSS class. So you put just class like uh, nav menu or top menu. Okay, and when you click on save, so if you refresh, then right click on this and check your if the class is coming or not. So check here your class name that we have just put. So if you see this nav style color, this then class, inside this class you can see our custom class top menu, this one, right? So if you want to change its font size, font color, etc., then you just need to uh, define, you need to write this class name into your CSS file and you can control from there. Okay, all right. So now what we will do, we will work on our slider section in the next chapter of this video. Chapter we will work on this lower section. So let's do one thing. It's very simple. Either you can simply cut and take it there, that will be easier, but you can take text and this image separately. Save for wave, featured post. So now let's go here and then create a block here. So this is actually pattern. So what we need a block here or row here before this. Let's add anywhere after this row, insert after. Okay, and then let's go pattern here. I need block actually. And of course this will be, let's do one thing, change it to group and here. So now here we will put one image, simple, this image. Right, make it center aligned. No, we don't need to align left, align center. Okay, make it smaller, it looks like very big. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's see by saving. Yeah, so this is our featured post. Now we need this section to be dynamic. Here is trick, this one we need in the left side this cake image. So let's do one thing, let's cut this cake image, we will slice this cake image and take there. Save for wave. White cake. Okay, so we need two sections. Now let's go here and you can inside this you can see query loop, and This is the section actually. We don't need this. Let's remove this section. We don't need. We need this one. So first thing is that we need to make it row wise like this. So it has post template, and inside that there is pagination here, and then you can see post title, post excerpt, post date, spacer, etc., etc. It has these things. So what I will do, inside this query loop, I will create here insert after. So let's do one thing. Let's create few posts, 2 3 posts. Go to admin, inside post. So to do that, let's do one thing. WP dummy content generator. This plugin we will download. Internet is not working. So this is the plugin dummy content generator. Now let's go to plugin section. Activate it. Generate users, generate post. We will generate post here. How many posts? Number of posts 10. Let's make it 15. Date starting from first to this date. Featured thumbnail. Yes, we need this. And then sign terms. Post. Generate post. So these are our posts. Now let's go to here, refresh it. Guys, you can see these are the posts. And finally, order post in this. But as per our design, we need image in the left side and this heading in the right side and text here and then read more. But as you can see, there is no such option here. So what I will do, after post template, after this post template, insert after, okay, and then change it into group, and then inside this group let's create a column. So we need the column like this. All right, fine. So inside this column, what I need this featured image. Drag it here, okay, and inside the right column we need this post title. Yeah, post title. So this is finally our post looking like, but our design is different. So what we need to do, let's come back here. First, let's remove this paragraph. We don't need this. Okay, so here post title, post accept, and post date. So this column, make it wide width. Yes, so now we need this one actually. And guys, this is the image, you can replace it. So this is the thumbnail, and we need to change this color. Okay, simply you can go here and change the color, etc. Maybe pink, whatever. Okay. Or you can change this from style sheet also. Actually we need to change it from style sheet. And one more thing, there is one line after this, right? So this column, insert after here, we need one divider, that means separator. And of course this separator will be wide line, and then background color, of course this color. So yes, it's not full width actually. Separator, wide line, we can put this outside of this, but before inside query loop, it must be inside query loop and inside this as well. Okay, save it here. Now it's fine. Separator, background color, this, save. Yes, so guys, you can see this one is coming. Now let's go to footer. If you want to put here read more button, then you can do that also. Simply you can insert this column, you can take inside this column, we can insert or you can insert after. So we will insert after. Then the color is actually pink here, okay, not green. So you can select that color and read more also. So read more is already actually there. You can take from here read more. Okay. So this read more will be after post date here, and its alignment is read more. So this is coming right side, left side. We need actually this side, and after here. So this read mode is coming here. You can change the color also. Text, yes, this read more color. This horizontal line is also pink. This is not pink actually. I'm taking a random color. You can do more fine tune. For example, it's actually, what is this? This is nothing but HR. Okay, so you can control this through CSS. If you find this HR, so border etc. is given here, border color. That is why it is looking like that. Okay, so you can control from here. How will it look like? Okay, so now we need to make this read more in the right side. Actually, there is no any option I can see. So let's do one thing. Padding left is coming to center. Okay, let's do one thing. Create one insert after. Okay, and here convert it into a group, right? And then put it here, and inside this group let's put this read more. Simple. Right, and now let's remove this margin of padding, whatever we had applied to. Keep it here. Okay, so rather than this, now let's go here into this group and let's remove this. First let's, why there are two groups? I had already grouped, no? So inside this group we have read more, and this paragraph we don't need actually. Remove this. We need this one only. Now this group, insert after, and here I will put a column. So the column will be of this, and then this column will be inside post texture, and under this column I will put here read more. Simple. Let's save and check. Yes, read more is here now, where we actually wanted to be visible. Read more. So finally change its color to pink. Yes, it's done. The color is very dark, so make it lighter. Yes. So guys, as you can see, it's now fine. So what I will do, make footer. Let's go to footer and check. In the footer section, we need three columns: first column, second column, third column. That's it. You can create like this. So go to here, and then now let's move to footer. In this footer section, click on edit, and then let's remove everything what we have. Inside this group, let's insert any columns. So let's take this one. Okay, three columns. One column, two column. We don't need this group actually, so let's remove it simply. So we were working here in the first section. As is it a design wise, what we need to do, we need to take this logo, and below there will be text. So crop it. It's easier, safer way. Footer logo. Now let's go here. So first thing is, let's go to this column and then change its background color. The background color is this one. Now upload. So this is our footer logo. Inside this, inside column, inside this column. Let's go to this column, insert after, and then paragraph, right? But this paragraph will be inside here. So simple. What is written here? Lorem ipsum, ain't it? Lorem ipsum. Actually, about us normally text is here. Text color will be white. That's it. And now in the middle section, what is here? Links. So same way you put here paragraph, and then links, and then about us, services, whatever you want, or simply you can put here navigation also, nav menu. Okay, so make it white, bold, large, about, white, white, whatever you want to put here. In the right side, address, it is not. Put here paragraph, address, then XYZ road, Kolkata, pin code, like this. Bold, larger. Actually, we need this in another paragraph. In this block. Okay, so make it white. This one also, it's easier. Now save it. And of course, this one, this column will be center aligned or right aligned. Text center. Text center. That's it. Yes, so guys, you can see this is our working complete home page without writing a single line of code. So why there is gap here? Oh, this one, yeah, this whole column. Okay, now back to let's go back here. So there is possibility there is any paragraph. Yes, so let's remove this paragraph. I think this is causing the space there. Okay, this can be controlled through CSS later. Alright, so now I will, in the next chapter, I will show you how to make inner page. For example, if I click here, then how you can customize the inner page. So, for example, you need in the right side something and right sidebar and text in the left side, and most important here this will come as banner. Okay, so let's see in the next chapter. We will learn how to customize this page. So what is, first you need to understand what is this page. Actually this page is single.php. Remember, actually not php, single page, single template. Okay, so when you, this one is page, the foot is page. Because if you are confused, then go back here and check. So whatever content is inside post, it opens inside. So whatever content is here, it opens inside single dot html. Now let's go here. Yes, and click on any one of these, and then we are not going to edit site. Click on edit site. This is important. Okay, now click on this WordPress logo, this logo, and then click here template, and inside template you will see here single. So click here. Finally, now we are inside single page. So what I will do, this is our post thumbnail page. So click here and see the structure. So inside this header is fine. Inside this group there is featured image and post title, post content, and post meta something here, and the comments. So these are the, this is the complete structure of this one. So what I need this one. So let's go here and just write here insert after. Insert column. Do we need really column? No. Let's insert here cover. Okay, and make it here. Now we don't need actually to upload image, huge featured image. Here you can see. So now the featured image will come here, and then let's remove this paragraph, and then let's put it here inside cover. We need post title, right? This post title we need inside cover. Okay, just remove this. No, we need post title. Yes. So inside cover we can take here post title. Post title, this one, right? Okay. So now this group, make it full width. So cover will be automatically full width. Full width. Okay. And guys, make it center. This is trick. Okay. And save it. Now let's check how does it look like. Click here, and guys, you can see this is our cover page image, and the text is over that. We will remove this one. Let's go back here, and then somewhere there is this image, this post. Let's remove this. It's not required. Okay, and this text will be color white. Refresh and check. Yes, so the title is coming here. Go back home, and then let's click on this one. You can see this one is title, this is description. Let's take this one. This is title, and this is description. If you want to make this description also wider, so let's do one thing. No, this no, yeah, this is the one. So post content here, right? Inside this group, let's create one insert after here. Convert this into group, and then take column. So it will be like this. So now we don't need this. Remove this. The content will be inside left column, in this left column, and this will be our sidebar. Here title, just put here heading. Latest post. Here, so here you can see list latest post. Okay, it will display you the latest post. If you need more, make it center. Okay, make it smaller. It's too big. save. So we need to make this column wider, this column full width. Yes, so let's make it this column as well. This one is full width, and left side post content, and yes, make it center aligned. This column, you can adjust from here, it's not very difficult. In this section, this group, whole group, make it full width. It's already full width. This content is also okay. The content adjustment is I think from this column is also element. Okay, so guys, that's it. This way you can make any website 100%. Yes, now it's fine. The content in the left side and right sidebar, we have this one. Let's take some padding, insert this from left side, unbreak this, and from left. Yeah, I've taken it more actually. Yes, now it's perfect. So guys, as you can see how we have converted this design into a functional website without writing a single line of code. To fix this problem, as you can see, there is space, right? So you find this class, each node, each layout flags, or any one of these classes, and you write here margin top, margin top 0 px. So guys, you can see the problem is fixed now. So you just need to write into your style sheet. Where is style sheet? You can find this into XAMPP htdocs, then WP66, and inside this WP content, themes 23, here in style sheet. You can just write the code here and it will that class and that will be fixed. Also you can fix this one also. So applying CSS you can make a perfect website. So hope you like this video and this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Still you have not subscribed, then guys, as you know, that it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort to make the video, so you don't forget to subscribe and also uh, write your experience in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.